Well, they traveled to LA from Guam for what they hoped would be a medical miracle. But the Comacho family's effort to save one child with the bone marrow of another fell apart.
Tonight, CBS 2's Lisa Sigell shows how music therapy now has helped the family heal after a heartbreaking discovery.
It's overwhelming.
Leslie Comacho and her family arrived at Children's Hospital Los Angeles about a year ago. 11-year-old son Stephen Jr. had a rare blood cancer and needed a bone marrow transplant. His 16-year-old sister Alyssa was a perfect match.
I was like, yes, I'm gonna save my brother's life and I'm gonna be his hero.
But in Alyssa's final screening before the transplant, a devastating discovery. Stephen Sr. remembers doctors gathered the family
and told us that she cannot be the match for my son.
They're like, that I can't be his donor anymore.
Couldn't be his donor because, as it turns out,
we have the same illness.
Just over a month after Alyssa's diagnosis, her brother lost his battle.
I told him that we were supposed to fight this together, but since he left, I promised him that I'm going to fight whatever comes my way, just for him.
I cried for you when you were brought to ICU.
With her parents and 4 remaining siblings at her side, Alyssa underwent her own bone marrow transplant in March. That's when CHLA music therapist Stacie Yeldell started paying regular visits.
One of the beautiful things about music is that it does a lot of the work for you.
Stacie worked with the Comachos to start writing their own songs.
To be able to express, to cope, and to grieve.
Brave Bird, about the brother she lost, was the first.
Brave bird shining bright.
I just wanted to write a song about him, because I guess because I miss him so much.
There is no question about the most cathartic part of the song.
So amazing, so amazing, so amazing, so amazing.
It's when Stephen himself makes an appearance, a recording he made just before he died.
So amazing, so amazing, so amazing.
The tears, of course, understandable.
It all has to do with what we have just gone through in a matter of less than a year.
Stacie works with the family about twice a week.
I see the light bulb over there. I can literally see the light bulb.
Let's go call this one the Good Lord.
Yeah, that'll be the chorus, right?
The good Lord is a strength.
With Alyssa's illness now in remission and the trip back home less than 2 months away, their newest song is all about gratitude.
The good Lord.
Less than a year ago, this family wondered if they'd ever experience joy again. But making music with Stacie changed all that.
I just love her.
It brings tears to my eyes. It's beautiful.
Stephen says he's proud of the music his kids have created, but has another theory about why Alyssa pulled through.
She did it for the brother, and now look where she's at. We're almost done. Thank God.
Well, music therapy can be ordered for any patient at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. In addition to emotional healing, doctors say it can help lower blood pressure, reduce pain, and speed recovery. Alyssa and her family say they will continue to make music when they return home to Guam.